Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix TikTok not showing views problem. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok. Now keep tapped on TikTok or long press on it and then go to the about information of the app. Now here you will find the storage section, head over there. Now clear the cache. And once you do it, just go back and try to see if the TikTok is showing the view. And if the problem still persists, you can go to the Play Store and search for TikTok and see if there is any update available. So if there is one, you can see it in here and just tap on Update app and it will download and reinstall the update in your phone again. And then hopefully the problem may get solved. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.